Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a sick routine. Now, I am currently suffering from a flu and I also wanted to do my weekend skincare routine, applying mask and giving a little bit of TLC to my skin. Now, I don't know about anyone, but for me, if I am suffering and I'm having any kind of flu or cold or anything, my skin reacts, and this would be like a super sensitive or hypersensitive kind of a routine, which would include mask and couple of steps that I like to do after I have recovered a little bit. As you can see, my skin is really dry. I have a little bit of oil and sebum production going around here, a lot of breakouts, new breakouts. I didn't do a skincare routine for more than 2 days. I didn't do any kind of cleanser, moisturizer, nothing. I was just so sick to even do anything. So this would be me giving food to my skin after like 2 days. For the cleanser, I'm gonna use this Dot & Key's Barrier Repair face wash, cleansing my skin just to ensure that I have a clean base and I'm not double cleansing. I'm just not irritating my skin too much. I'm just cleansing with a nice mild and gentle cleanser, and I am taking my time going into each section, and I'm gonna cleanse my skin for at least a minute. Got a lot of these blisters on my lips because obviously my lips are dry, and I forgot to apply lip balm. I'm also going to fix that. Now my face is all cleansed. I am gonna apply a clay mask. The clay mask, we are gonna use this Dr. Sheth's Passion Fruit and Sulfur mask. Now this particular face mask is a really nice mask. It has the goodness of passion fruit, which is a really great antioxidant, and it also has sulfur. Sulfur is great for your overall acne, and sulfur is an ingredient that many dermats suggest if you have a lot of acne. So I'm just gonna do a quick clay mask. Current skin is a little bit more sensitive than what I usually suffer from, so I am gonna only put this clay mask for about like 5 or 7 minutes max, not more than that. I didn't drag it down my neck because I'm lazy. Now I am going to be using this Earth Rhythms or any other kind of cleansing pad. I've just soaked it in water and I'm removing this. Now this is like my ideal way of removing any kind of face mask, because the whole hassle of washing the face mask now not only wastes a lot of water, but also I'm not that patient. So this just removes everything, and yeah, pretty seamlessly. I use the other side and I just again once more wipe my face, just making sure there's no residue whatsoever. And after I have done wiping my face with this cleansing pad, I again wash my face just with plain simple water. After clay mask, I always like to go on with a gel mask. Now this particular face mask from Conscious Chemist is really cooling. It has the goodness of blackberry and niacinamide in it, and including a couple of different soothing ingredients that are really great for your sensitive skin or any kind of skin. And I just want a little bit of nourishment and hydration that I lost in this 3 days. I wanted to feed my skin well, so I'm just applying this over a clay mask. I always do any kind of clay mask and follow it up with a good hydrating mask. So I usually use 2 different masks simultaneously at the same time, one after the other, and this particular mask goes well with my sick day routine or any kind of mask day routine. It has a little bit of purple tint, but that's okay. I look like someone beat me up, but anyway. Now it says you have to leave it for 8 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna only leave it for 8 minutes because I don't have that much patience and I have a lot of work to do. Plus I'm having a lot of headaches, so yeah, 8 minutes. My under eyes are dry as well, so I'm gonna be trying this particular new eye patches that I bought from M Cafe. Now this was the most cheapest eye patches that I got. Initial impression, the patches do stick really well. Sometimes affordable patches doesn't really stick onto your eye area, which defeats the whole purpose. But yeah, I'm impressed by this. They are sliding down because I do have a gel-based mask on my face, but I put it a little bit closer to my eye because of my crow's feet. But if you don't have, don't, just put it a little bit under. And I'm just gonna rest, and I'll see you after 8 minutes. It's been about 9 minutes and I am gonna take it all off. As you have noticed, I have not put any kind of chemical peel. Instead, I have chosen to exfoliate with mild products such as the sulfur mask, and also giving back the hydration with this particular gel mask. All of the links would be mentioned in the bottom box below. My skin is well hydrated and I have successfully fed it with all of the loss of hydration nutrients throughout the 3 days. Now for my face, I'm only gonna apply a moisturizer, no serum, nothing. But for my lips, I need a little bit of extra TLC. So I am using this Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Plus Toner on my lips, just a little bit on my under eyes as well. Also this particular Marine Hyaluronics serum from Ordinary. Lastly, sealing it up with a nice moisturizer such as this Put Simply's one. So yeah, this was my weekly skincare routine, giving my skin back all the nutrients. End of edition. Let me know yours and I will see you in the next one.